well set up. It's beautiful. The food, we just tried some great Indian food. Very tasty.
It's very enjoyable.
Very good.
Yeah.
It was absolutely fantastic. Loved every bit of it.
Food was absolutely wonderful. We've had a great afternoon and definitely come back next year.
I think it's a fantastic event. I think it's brought a lot of recognition to the Dubai chef and tourism industry.
Wonderful place to have so many different things to eat in so many different ways.
That's so good.
It's time for a break, but we're just warming up, so come back quickly to High Life Dubai. Break के बाद है exclusive perfume launch और jewelry launch, so don't move an inch. Welcome back to a fragrant High Life Dubai. Fragrant इसलिए क्योंकि मैं आपको ले जा रही हूँ एक महकते हुए परफ्यूम लॉन्च के लिए. It's the launch of Narciso Rodriguez's latest perfume, Essence. Essence is uniquely fresh, light and fluid. Imagine the morning sunshine falling on a white rose and you might get a whiff of essence in your mind.
Tonight we're launching here in Dubai our new fragrance by Narciso Rodriguez, Essence. The spirit of Essence encompasses the sensuality of a woman with the radiance of sunlight. This time it's with a new vitality. So this modern heart of musk is complemented this time by radiant notes of rose petals, powder notes of iris, and hints of amber, which results in a pure, sensual, and luminous essence. The whole idea today was to create an itinerary for everyone to discover step by step the creative process that led to our new fragrance. So you had first the name, Essence, then the bottle that is designed by Russ Lovegrove, then of course the visual, and finally, last but not least, the scent.
And right now it's time for us to move on from sunny smells to sparkling jewels. तो चलिए देखते हैं Edstone की latest jewelry collection. Held at the one and only Royal Mirage marked the preview of Edstone's latest Giverny collection. The brand's red carpet collection from the 2009 Academy Awards were also shown, and the entire event was dazzling and spectacular. Edstone के फाउंडर खुद तो एक जर्मन थे, लेकिन उन्होंने ब्राजील को अपना घर बना लिया था. And he was so fascinated with the colored gemstones available in Brazil that he started manufacturing his jewelry using these stones. Let's know more about this brand.
It's a company that was founded by my father in Brazil 65 years ago. We're present in 27 countries, and we are known by our unique and creative design, and also by our heritage of color stones, which are mainly found in Brazil. I'm very happy to be here in Dubai. We are here to a global launch. This is the first place we're launching it of a new collection called Giverny, inspired on the gardens of Monet. We're very excited, we brought also some red carpet pieces that were used by celebrities in the Oscars and the Golden Globes.
We have been very fortunate to actually have a lot of celebrities that enjoy our product and wear them either on the red carpet or for even smaller events, and actually also buy our jewelry. Halle Berry just wore H. Stern for the Oscars. Eva Longoria wears H. Stern often and even chose H. Stern when she got married 2 years ago. Fergie just got married in H. Stern and wears the collections all the time. Deborah Messing, Angelina Jolie, Catherine Zeta-Jones, Jessica Alba, Salma Hayek, there's a lot. H. Stern design is known for being bold and modern. The jewelry is very wearable and yet very distinctive. And I think the modern women of today really are looking for a product that looks original, feels fresh, and that says something about who they are. It's like an expression of your personality. And I'm sure that this is half of the key to the success. The other half of it is the quality and the tradition of the brand.
Edstone uses some of the most stunning gemstones in their designs. Every girl must have a piece from their collection. It's time for me to take a short break. Come right back to High Life Dubai. Coming up, put on your party best because we are going to party after the break. देखेंगे DJ Tiesto का live performance और चलेंगे Le Méridien Dubai to check out their